Dr. Nick, are you coming?
Tammy, I'm coming. I'm rushing. I'm going to be there in time. Tell everyone I'm going to be there, and we're going to make TAMC 007 rock this year.
It was very tough.
I'm really thrilled. It's our second year in Ravin. The enthusiasm is at its highest. We want everyone to learn and to enjoy. It's a rare place where you can see high concentration of the best aesthetic doctors and KOLs and speakers in the world. I'm really pleased.
TAMC has something unique. It brings high-level science with a high level of fun together.
We're going to make some memories that will last a lifetime. And we look at that journey. We started in Dubrovnik in 2018, and every year we've grown and grown. And as I sit around and look at all my colleagues from around the world, I'm thrilled at having so many people here.
Oh, I love this Congress. I don't know if you can make it better, seriously. I mean, the edition of TAMC 2024 is on the edge, meaning that it really keeps on the edge of the latest developments, and it's great to have it in Croatia.
Best in the world. Non-surgical medicine is becoming more popular and popular.
Somehow they keep on getting better, not just content-wise, but also the whole atmosphere.
It's great because it's a mix of different specialties in different areas, different regions. And so it's really interesting to see how different people handle the kinds of problems that present to my clinic every day.
It's a very accessible Congress. So what I mean by that, it's small enough that you can get around and see people, but it's big enough that we have a wide faculty that you can see lots and lots of different topics. Great way to upskill yourself.
We have plastic surgeons and dermatologists and aesthetic physicians. Everyone is coming from a different angle and bring like different ideas. I love it.
I think this is what I call a classic edutainment, because education is very important, but you need to create an environment where people want to stay, where people want to sit down and listen to every single pose that the lecturers have to impart.
You can approach every single one of them and ask questions, and they're also happy to answer and even give you more advice. So that's also a way how you can connect here and network and learn more.
Innovation is when you look back, when you step back a little bit, and you look not only on products, but also what you can change in usage, how you can change the assessment of the patient, how you can position this product, how you can combine all the products together to really get out the best outcome.
Today, the aesthetic field doesn't belong to one single specialty. We need to have a vision of multi-speciality, and that's what we found here in a very simple and down-to-earth manner.
Just people are buzzing, and I think it's just going to get better and better. We've got the live injections by Tapan and Tatiana later on for 3.5 hours, the full face. It's going to be incredible.
And the success of these congresses is ultimately down to feedback. So we love to hear from people. What did we do well? What can we do better? More importantly, we'd love to see you there.
There is the most incredible new things that are being discussed. I mean, there's a whole session on longevity, for example. And that is really an amazing new field that is being incorporated into the aesthetic world.
So the field of longevity is rapidly expanding because it doesn't really help much if you just fix your outside appearance and you're not healthy on the inside.
But to be honest, this year it's super advanced. So we have really innovative things. I just came out of a super AI session, so it's amazing.
Amazing. I'm always surprised by Nick. It is the most valuable of all congresses, to meet different people and to share experience.
The level of expertise is very high, so for everyone there is something that can learn, and of course the entertainment program is the best one.
I love the TAMC. I like the scientific part, but I always enjoy a good party. And this year we've got two. We've got the James Bond party and the Frank Sinatra party.
And it's a great place. It's good fun.
And I just love in Croatia. It's an amazing place to come. So as soon as Nick said to me, next year, yep, count me in.
Super party.
Dancing with everyone, talking to everyone, and it's such a great social atmosphere.
Oh, it's really nice. I really like it, and I'm really congratulate Nikola for making it happen here in Croatia. I think it's really, really important that we have such a thing here.
Apparently, I have to dress up in a pink dress, but we'll see about that. So I hope I see everyone again next year. This has been truly amazing, humbling. I had tears in my eyes. I'm so proud, as should everyone involved. Thank you, everyone. It's been amazing.